Okay, what we've got here is a 1.5-horse John Smyth, air-cooled. It's a 1913 model, year model. Serial number is 69698. Has the Webster tripolar. Little smoky. Haven't had this engine too long. Had a little bit of work to do to it. Had a real problem on the igniter. If the base of the engine where the igniter bolts on was seemed to be warped, and had to tear it all down, set it up in the milling machine, and reface it. And that took care of the leak problem that we had. And other than that, put it back together, and she cranked up. She runs good. Like I say, it smokes a little bit. That don't bother me a bit. Good engine. You know that it's oiling.